Bible teaches there is one Lord and one faith, Joseph.
Then why do doctrines disagree?
Beware of pride, boy. Your eternal soul is at stake.
I'm trying to do what you said. Decide which doctrine is right.
There are no such things as visions and revelations in these days. Don't speak of it further. It will only bring you grief.
Hey, Joseph! You seen any visions lately?
It has become too dangerous here for everyone.
How can we leave this behind, Joseph?
The temple, we can rebuild. But we cannot replace bodies.
You walked almost 900 miles to get here.
God bless you, Jane Manning.
Why are you doing this? Shut up! Why?
Fathers and mothers and children slaughtered for the crime of building homes and worshiping